What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your host, Mr. LLC, back with another one. And right, so you see we got the hole puncher, the M17 out on the table today, out on deck. All right, so last outing we had the HDR50 and the HDR68 versus the frozen pumpkin. Left some dents. You could kind of see the inside a little bit. So the pumpkin came back for more. We got that frozen pumpkin back outside again. All right, so I have 17. We got 10 HP68 set up in there. And yes, this is an old batch. This is the old bag. I got plenty of these, so I'm cycling through old to new. We're going old school. The old school Grimberg bag. So we're going to go ahead and send the HP68s. What do they weigh in at? I don't remember. Let's find out. $7.7. All right. So I've got 10 of them in here, and we're going to send 10 of those into that frozen pumpkin. Also, this one is modified. No PRV. We got the PRV delete. We got the velocity stack delete. Springs, shims, trigger spring, all that. It's done. Also, Grimberg A5 barrel. Let's get some. Oh, also 850 PSI. I'm not running 1100. That's a little bit overkill. 850 is good enough for me. All right, so here's our pumpkin. Let's take a look at it real quick. This is the side we've shot, obviously. Okay, you can see right there that tiny little hole. That's the little bit cracked that hole I was talking about. It's also forming a crack along here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it this side. And get the fresh side. All right. Got you zoomed in a little bit closer there. Let's get aired up. Mag in. We're on fire. Let's go. Go high. I think we have a hole. I think that's all 10. Yep, that's all 10. Okay. Let's get zoomed out. Yeah, back to regular zoom-o-vision. All right. And yep, we have created a hole. Anything come out the other side? No. Okay. So safe to say, should have at least 8 HP68s in there. Let's see. I see some stuff in there, but wherever it is, it's stuck in there. So All right. There we have it. It's your Valken M17 versus the frozen pumpkin. 2 went high, the rest right in there. With this guy. 850 PSI. That's all you need. You don't need anything more than that. It's your host, Mr. LSC, telling you something is better than nothing. Keep you and yours safe. Comment, like, subscribe. Share the content so other folks can witness. God bless. Peace. See you guys next time.